Day 2, and after a restless night's sleep, I head out to the plane with my 2 instructors and the cameraman who'll jump with us.
Alrighty.
Time to face my fears.
We've been through the whole procedure, so there's nothing really I can do now. I think I'm most apprehensive about what it's going to be like actually making that leap. But I don't really have much choice because I've got to say up, down, jump. I think if I didn't have words to go through, I might go ready. Oh no, I keep putting it off.
The jump plane will take us up to 12,000 feet. A climb that will take 25 nerve-wracking minutes. As we climb, I try to concentrate on the job in hand.
Check in, check out, horizon, up, down, jump, arch back, hands out, 1 breath, 2 breaths.
10,000 feet. Preparations complete. Nothing to do now but wait.
1 mile, 1 mile to go.
We're on our final approach.
Yeah, I'll try.
You'll be right, mate. Okay, there.
Into position. Then let the training do its work.
Check in.
Okay. Horizon. Up. Down. Up.
After 10 seconds, I reach terminal velocity, 120 miles per hour. I check my parachute release. Okay. I'm struggling to hold my freefall position. It's under control, and I start my deployment countdown. I'm falling at almost 200 feet per second. Time to deploy. But for a heart-stopping second, I can't find the release. The Indian Ocean is stretched out below, but my delayed release means there's no time to enjoy the view. I'm immediately setting a course for a safe corner of the airfield. I'm fast approaching the ground for my first ever landing. Time to remember the drill. I'm on target, but I'm coming in too fast.
Unbelievable. Well, it wasn't the most elegant landing, was it? A slight landing on my knee, but I tell you that was a rush. You do the protocol, up, down, and you just let yourself go, and you just tumble through the air. And then I was just floating in the air. Everything goes very quiet. And that, if I'm to be honest, is where the real buzz happens, because I flew myself. I got down, I'm fine, I'm in one piece, and I had an unbelievable experience. Aussie.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I tell
enjoyed
you,
it?
that was a buzz. That was just unbelievable.
I've survived my Australian skydive, a terrifying but exhilarating experience.